If you want to add meta title and meta description to your WordPress website, you have three options. The first one is to install a plugin that will add a box on each post and page where you can add the meta title and meta description. The second one is to use PHP to create a meta box that will allow you to create the meta description, because the meta title is actually the title of the post or page. And the third one, it's doing nothing. And I will explain a bit later why this is an option. The first option you have is to install a plugin. So you go under plugins and add new. And if you search SEO, most of these plugins will give you the option to add a meta title and a meta description. I usually use all-in-one SEO, but I don't think it's more special than the others. So when you click install and activate, it will redirect you to a wizard setup. So I will not go through the settings here, but I'll go back to dashboard. And if you go to posts and go to one of the posts, you will see here a tab created by this plugin. And underneath you have the post title and meta description. Those here are variables, but you can delete them and add something else. And this is the same. If you are not adding anything here, this plugin has those variables, so it will make sure that you have something inside of the post title and meta description. Also, it will generate the open graph that is displayed whenever you are sharing your URL on Facebook or on Twitter or on other platforms. Also, you have the schema markup and some advanced settings. The second option is to create a meta box that will take care of the meta description, because as I told you, the title is the actual title of the post. And if you are interested in knowing how to do that, leave a comment and I will get back to you with the code snippet. The third option is to do nothing about it. The meta title is the actual title of your post, and the meta description will be picked up by Google by itself. If you check your search results inside of Google, you will see that the meta description that you set up in your website, it's not the same with the one that Google is showing on SERPs. That's because Google is showing the most relevant description for the search query. If you want to rank on Bing or DuckDuckGo or other search engines, you'll need the meta description. I have another video where I show how to set up SEO for WordPress. And if you are interested in that and learning more about this topic, watch this video.